How can I say thanks? Can I say thanks for the things you have done for me? Things so undeserved, yet you gave to prove your love for me. The voices of a million angels could not express my gratitude. All that I am and ever hope to be, I give it all to you. To God be the glory. To God be the glory. To God be the glory for the things He has done. With His power He has saved me. With His blood He has changed me. To God be the glory for the things He has done. Oh, let me live my life. Let it be pleasing, Lord, to me. And if I get